100% completely agree. And I'm just super excited. We're going to go ahead and circle back here over the next week or so, get the second of our series, and we'll see how long it takes us. I mean, we may hit 3 or 4 episodes, but either way, it's all about educating. We're educating the clients, we're educating the realtors, we're educating the sellers. How many situations happen where there's I was just talking to a loan officer friend of mine up in Utah, and husband and wife tore the house apart. And I don't know what's causing the divorce. It could be the fact that they're tore up their house and they didn't finish it. Either way, they got a house that can't sell because nobody can buy this house, because unless you're going to fix and flip it or fix it with cash, a renovation loan is exactly what they need. But if they don't market it properly, nobody will buy this house, and it's already been on the market for 6 months. So not only is this putting financial strain on this couple, they're also going through marital problems. Who knows how much money they're paying their attorneys at this time. And they really just probably need to sell this house, but they're not marketing it properly. So I actually talked to that loan officer, told her what her agent should do, really aggressively market it on social media, talking about the renovation loans and products for primary residents or even investors. We got a lot of things going on. And once again, Adam, you are the expert. So thank you very much. We're going to be circling back with you in the next week or so, and then we'll get our second video in the series. And once again, we'll just keep educating our realtors and our partners out there.
My pleasure. Thanks for the opportunity, and I'm looking forward to continuing our series and educating people and just showing them stuff that they didn't think they could do, and that they'll be extremely, extremely happy to hear about. So thanks again.